The US markets were shut on Monday on account of Labor Day. European shares were little changed on Monday, as investors analyzed economic data for signs on the European Central Bank's policy trajectory. Germany's DAX index hit a record close, even as populist wins in state elections inserted uncertainty. The pan-European STOXX 600 index was little changed at 524.94 points, still moving around its last week record highs after data showed Eurozone inflation fell to its slowest pace in 3 years. Asian stocks advanced Tuesday, led by Japanese equities. Nifty ended on a positive note on 2nd September, extending gains for the 13th consecutive session, its longest run in decades. At close, Nifty was up 0.17% or 42.8 points at 25,278.7. Nifty formed a small negative candle with a small lower shadow on 2nd September. After rising for 13 straight days, possibility of a correction setting in soon remains high. Nifty could face resistance in the 25,360 to 25,400 band, while 25130 could offer support in the near term.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.